My name is Mangal Singh Sewalal Paura and I am from Dhude, Maharashtra. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science in 2025. After that, I was searching for job. Then I came to know about the eVision Technosoft Private Limited, which provide 45 days on-job training program. So I have enrolled in that. In this program, I learned about CompTIA Network Plus, virtualization, CCNA, Windows administration, and ITIL. After completing this on-job training program, I have placed it in Kaizen Services Private Limited with package of 3 LPA. Thank you so much, eVision team, and special thank to Priya ma'am, Ganesh Murthy sir, and Muskan ma'am. Thank you, eVision. Thank you so much.